Working on a custom order. Soap made with beef tallow and cocoa butter. That's what they wanted me to use. So that's all I'm using. Unscented, uncolored. This will make a very hard bar, very creamy bar. It will not have a very high lather or very high cleansing, but of course, because of the nature of soap, it will clean. That's just the nature of soap. It will be fairly conditioning. It'll feel really good. So if you're looking to have soap made with specific ingredients that you want, you can bring me your ingredients, and of course you will only be charged for my time and not for my time and the ingredients. So it'll be a little bit less than normal. So I will be making 2 loaves of soap for him, this person. Both with the same ingredients, but the other one will incorporate goat's milk. He wanted some goat milk. So I'm doing half with water and half with goat milk. This is actually done. I can put it in the mold. Give me a minute. Just wanted to prep my mold. My table is a little bit slanted, so I'm not going to be able to fill this all the way up. But I think I'll make the little soaps like I did the last time. Made some soaps in a little flower shaped mold. Just want to turn this around. Trying not to spill. I want to get this to the part of the table that's not it's not that slanted, so it can be a little even. Okay, maybe not. It should all fit. Yeah, it's gonna all fit in here. So since I'm only using one hand, I'll scrape the rest of that soap batter out off camera. So one soap loaf down, 1 to go. I'm gonna texture the top of this after it sets up a little more. Should be able to get a cute little texture. The top of here, but it's not set up enough. And yeah, then I'll do the one with the goat milk. Alrighty guys, see y'all in a minute. So this is the other batch of soap. This one has the added goat milk. I was supposed to do a full goat milk and I almost forgot. And I started it with water, but then I added some goat milk. So it's not a full goat milk, but it does have goat milk in it. This also will be unscented, uncolored. Has the same ingredients, just the cacao butter, and the beef tallow. Oh wow, I'm seeing my shadow and I'm like thinking someone's behind me. It was really weird. Scared me for a second. Alrighty, this is it. Alrighty, so this is the soap, my custom made soap that I've made for one of my customers. This is the one without the goat milk, and this is the one with the goat milk. These are really hard bars of soap. He had enough for 2 complete loaves. And they do look a little different color. The goat milk does give it a little bit of a different color. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see the other side. There's no added colorant, but you can see the one with the goat milk over here has a little bit of a different color from this one. And this the soap got a little bit harder. I did a little bit, I'm so used to doing a water discount that I did a water discount, but I'm forgetting that this soap is a really hard bar of soap, so I really don't need to do any water discounts. It actually works against me. So there was a little bit of cracking as I cut it because it was really hard. It needs full water for this soap because it's a really hard bar and it gets hard quick, so that when it's the next day when you need to cut it, if you're going to do a loaf mold and use a loaf mold instead of an individual mold, that you can cut it without it cracking and creaking. So we had a lot of crackage, but only on the very edges, which I was able to, of course, wipe down and get looking clean and a little more. Anyway, so that's my soap. This is soap that was made with organic cacao butter and beef tallow, 100% beef tallow that the customer rendered himself, and cacao butter. So this is not a highly cleansing soap, so it's gonna feel very moisturizing. It's gonna have a really good feel on the body, and it has some conditioning aspects. Soap cleans, so it's gonna clean, but it doesn't give you that tight feel after you bathe with it. It's going to give you a very moisturized feeling. It's going to have a really creamy looking lather. I did pour off one little bit just so I can show you guys and do a little bit of a test. So I'm going to do that just so you can see how it came out. But yep, 2 ingredient soap, our lye water with beef tallow and cacao butter, and on this side, and well, 3 ingredient soap on this side, and our goat milk, cacao butter, beef tallow, and of course lye water here. Well, that's 4 ingredients, 3 and 4 ingredients. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to have your own custom soap made. Okay, so I almost forgot to put this part in here. I had poured off a little bit of the soap that I made for the custom order, just so I can check the feel and the creamy ability of it, the lather, all that good stuff. So here goes. It's the soap. I literally just took this out of the mold. It's as you can see, it doesn't have, according to the recipe, it doesn't have a high cleansing and a high lather, but as you can see, it does lather. So when we say it doesn't have a high lather, it's not going to give you a lot of bubbles. It's going to give you more of a creaminess, and you can kind of see it. It lathers, but you don't see a lot of, you more like see what looks like a creamy-ish looking lather. It's not a lot of bubbles. Okay, and that actually has a really nice feel on the body when you have a lather like that. And this is the one that I'm testing, is the one that has the goat milk. So this was made with, again, beef tallow, organic cacao butter, and that is it, and goat milk. It's not a full goat milk because I almost actually forgot to add the goat milk. So it's a partial goat milk, but it has goat milk in it, and it feels really good. So I'm going to, I wanted to show you all the lather and how that lather looks. Most lather gives you a lot of bubbles. You see, it's not a lot of bubbles. It's more like a creamish looking lather. So it does clean well. It does lather up, but it's not going to be a big bubbling type of lather. And then it's a really nice feel on your hand. And Also, it's not highly cleansing. And what that means when I say it's not highly cleansing, but this is soap. Soap is supposed to be cleansing. What do you mean it's not highly cleansing? It's not highly cleansing in that it's not going to leave that very tight feel on your skin after you use it. Sometimes you have soaps that you use and it's really, really cleansing, and it's going to give your skin that very tight feel. This is going to leave your skin a little bit more moisturized feeling. I still have soap on me. It's stuck on my ring. Let me rinse that off. So that's what it's going to do for you. It's going to give you a more moisturized feeling after you rinse it off. We did do a super fat, meaning it has more oils than it needs to create the soap. So it's not a big super fat, but we did do a super fat. So as you can see, that soap looked really, really good as far as the lather, the creaminess. Has a lot of creamy lather, but it doesn't have a lot of bubbly lather. It's not highly cleansing, so it's going to give your skin a nice moisturized feel. I still have soap. I got soap under my nails. I don't understand. That's weird. And it's not going to leave your skin tight when you're finished using it. Oh, it's not going to leave your skin tight when you're finished using it. Alrighty, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, cool. Okay, so once again, thank you guys for watching. If you would like to have your own custom soap made, you can. All you have to do is let me know, call me. I can do it one of two ways. One way is you bring all of the ingredients to me, and I utilize it. I formulate the recipe and I make the soap. That is the cheapest way for you. And if not, then I can get all the ingredients, but it's going to cost a little bit more. Oh, sorry. It's early in the morning for me, so I'm a little bit tired. I'm so sorry. I'm yawning. Anyway. So that's two ways that you can do it, but you know, it's soap, it's handmade soap. You can have the ingredients that you want. You can have it your way. Soap your way. Soap made the way you want with the ingredients that you want. So contact me. You can give me a call on my business number, which is 646-929-9363. Oh God, is that my number? I forget my own business number. It's going to be in the description below. Or you can email me, or you can contact me via my website and send a conversation. I have an Etsy shop. You can send conversations through the Etsy shop. I've had people do that all the time. But the best way, the most direct way would be to contact me via text or leave a message on the number. I don't always answer my business phone because it comes in on the phone that I'm using right now. So sometimes I'm using it and I'm doing something else, but if you leave a message, I will get back to you. If you leave a text message, I can get back to you a little faster because I'll see the message come through. But if not, leave a voice message and I will get back to you. If you don't leave a message, more than likely I may take a longer time to get back to you because I might not even notice that a call came in and that was missed. And then when I notice it, I'm like, oh, I got a call. So I may get back to you it'll take a little longer. If you email me, I'll definitely see the email. But the quickest way for me to get back to you would be through a message, through the business number, which will be in the description box below, because I don't remember what it is. Yeah, so you can have soap made your way by Sensational Touch by Kamishara. That's me. With the ingredients that you want, all you have to do is bring the ingredients to me. So you can still get handmade soap with the ingredients that you want. If you do not know how to make your own soap, just bring it to me and I will make it for me. I'll formulate the recipe and I'll make it for you. You can use any oils you choose. You really can. I may give you suggestions based on the recipe, the oils that you get, and let you know, well, this is going to do this, this is going to do that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing it again. Okay, that means it's time for me to go. I need to eat breakfast. Oh my gosh. It's early in the morning. I got a lot to do today. Have meetings today. But you can get soap made your way at Sensational Touch. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so that every time I upload another video, you will be notified. Don't forget to share. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. If you were to have someone make soap for you, what ingredients would you want to include in that bar of soap? Yeah. If you could have what you want in soap, what would you want included in your bar of soap? So leave that in the comments below, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.